Hi, I'm Jeff O'Mara, and I'd like to share with you a breath practice that I like to call the detached observation of the breath. Okay, this is probably the most simple breath exercise, but I also find that it can be the most powerful. Okay, if you're feeling distracted, anxious, stressed, this is an easy practice that can quickly help you find some calm, some clarity. Now, as the name suggests, all this practice entails is simply watching the breath. Okay, that's all you need to do, really, is just pay attention to your own breathing. When we take a close look, the power of the breath becomes quite clear. Okay, so let's give it a try. First thing that we want to do is make sure that we have a nice comfortable seat. Okay, you can be sitting on the floor, the legs crossed, you might be kneeling, you can sit in a chair. Just place your feet comfortably on the floor underneath you. From there, just make sure you're sitting nice and tall, reach all the way up through the crown of your head. Okay, and then allow the eyes to gently close, or if you would prefer to keep the eyes open, just drop your gaze down out in front of you and relax the focus of your eyes so you're not looking at anything in particular. From there, you might just find a comfortable way for your hands to rest so you're not going to be fidgeting around with them. Okay? So, from here, the practice of the detached observation of the breath can begin. Okay? Again, be aware of your body, your comfortable seat here, and start to become aware of the movement of the breath. When we bring the body to this point of stillness, it's much easier to get in touch with the breath. Okay, so as you sit, just start to notice, what are the qualities of your breath? What's most obvious to you about it? How does your breath feel? This is the question that you can just keep coming back to over and over. How does my breath feel? Moment to moment to moment, the breath will change. So this question, how does my breath feel, will continue to be relevant. Okay, it'll apply anywhere, anytime. Whether you're sitting in class, walking down the street, going to sleep, breath is always there and you can always just observe the breath. Okay, so as we sit here, maybe noticing, when you inhale, how does your breath enter your body? Is it through your nose? Is it through your mouth? Okay, can you feel the slight coolness of the breath as it's drawn into your body, as it moves down your throat into your lungs? Okay, notice where it goes in your body. As it comes into your lungs, where do you feel it expanding? High in your chest, lower down in your abdomen, maybe your lower back, or out in the rib cage? Okay, notice if your inhale is smooth or if there's any kind of texture or choppiness to it. When you take an inhale, do you seem to take a full inhale? Or do you seem to take an inhale and then just stop for some reason? And it never gets to a point where it feels very expansive. So would it feel good to maybe take an inhale that's a slightly larger inhale? Now, how does that inhale become your exhale? Okay, can you notice the transition there? What does it feel like? Is there a pause there, or is it just seamless? Can you even find it? Okay, does your breath seem to stick there at all? And once it becomes the exhale, what are the sensations that come along with that? Okay, and where do you feel that in your body? Is your exhale smooth and continuous? Or is it also perhaps a bit choppy? Do you find that you're exhaling completely, or do you exhale and then stop the exhale before it's even finished? There's still breath in the lungs. At the end of your exhale, wherever that is, do you immediately start your next inhale? You breathe right back in, or do you find any space there? Maybe a slight pause. And if there's a pause, how does it feel to rest in that stillness? And what do you discover there? How does it feel when you start that next inhale? Okay? As you observe your breath, try to just notice when you get distracted. And when you do, just try your best to simply return your attention to the qualities of your breathing. Just keep returning to the question, how does my breath feel? This will probably happen over and over again, and that's totally normal. All we're practicing is noticing that and then returning to the breath without any kind of judgment, without any kind of extra thought. Observing the breath. Okay, maybe just take a couple more breaths here to finish. Okay, beautiful. If your eyes are closed, you can just gently blink the eyes back open. Bring your attention back open to the room around you. Maybe take a moment to reflect on this practice. What was this experience like for you? How does your body feel now? How does your mind feel? What are the qualities you find there? So maybe noticing, perhaps in just these few minutes, using this very simple practice, you've already found a little more space within yourself, a little more focus, a little more relaxation, a little more peace of mind. Okay, you really can't practice this exercise enough. So go ahead, try it, see how it feels for you. Give it a chance, see what it can do.